call this episode Car Crusty or Car Rusty, because I got bored and bought a car. It's a little interesting, but I love it. Heading to Matt's now. Gonna attempt to put it on the hoist and not die, and do some things and make it sick. You can probably tell what it is, but you know, it's fucking sick. Yeah. Ugh. Volvo. Okay, so it's 86 Volvo 240. Pretty mint to an extent.
No, it's not mint at all.
There's some customization on the floor. I'm pretty sure a very high-end shop did it.
West Coast Customs.
Yeah, I think Exhibit got a hold of it. And it's a bit of spray foam. Is that a wire? This is so bad.
I didn't realize it's definitely wiring.
Okay, so I need more spray foam to cover that up.
Well, it hasn't hit the ground, so.
Yeah, but it's going to. Dude, stop uncovering it. That's gonna hold the spray foam in.
Oh my God.
So this thing's roached, but it's manual, so it was worth it. See what I mean?
Damn.
See, I need to silicone that.
No.
Silicone is not gonna do anything.
What do you mean?
Look at it.
Silicone hard. Well, Stu's making it worse. Stop.
Shut up.
There's also a clingy, clangy noise, but I can't find where it is. It's as you start driving, it starts clingy, clangy, and then you drive more, and it stops clingy, clangy.
It needs a lot of things.
It needs an angle grinder to the springs.
Is the axle?
Fucking hate this.
You're thinking.
Yeah.
Stop thinking.
Should I should
No,
do it.
that one. Just cut it.
Matt, Ben.
Wherever it fits comfy.
Okay, halfway. I can't see shit out of this.
Okay, perfect.
Fuck, I'm a pussy.
Just commit.
Dude, I don't want to commit.
Don't put your hand there.
I was about to put my hand there.
Uh-oh.
Do it again.
That boy's got.
Yeah, there's a big chunk. We went and got a box, and there's stuff in the box. There's a thingy in the box, and then there's these thingies in the box. 5 by 108 to 5 by 4.5.
One 100% those are gonna fit. We have to try. Yeah, it's up. Ben.
I think we're doing 18s. Okay, so last night we did go for a drive. I'd drive slow. I didn't think about drive shaft angles, things like that. I don't know shit about solid axles. Also, to pair with the drive shaft angle, center bearing was fucked. Absolutely fucked. So thanks to Stu's knowledge, who has, this is all me. Stu was telling me to get a brand new one, but I didn't want to spend money. So here's my adaptive thing. The whole point of this car is cheap, like very stupid cheap, and that's about it. And I don't do this to my actual drift car because I like that thing to work. But this isn't, I don't care about this thing. So basically you take the cross member and you shove in a rad hose with a little piece of metal, and it's gonna space the center bearing. And then your clapped out center bearing, you don't want to buy a new one. So before you put in the support, you fill it with the right stuff. And then when I put in the cross member for it, it's gonna squish all the right stuff together and it's gonna become thicker, and you're not gonna get driveline vibration, right? That's okay. Because remember that this is, well, one, I'm laying under this, for fuck's sakes. But think about how fucking sick it would be if this just works. So Stu had some IPD springs laying around. Dude, they're the exact same height, but it's a stiffer rate. Okay, springs are in, drive shafts in place, kinda, sorta. Don't think of her all spin-ski. Feels great. I can feel a little bit. Wow! It doesn't feel as bumpy though. It's the springs, dude. Yeah, that helped a lot. Probably gonna change wheels today too. Stu has some 16s that I found a while ago, and I sold to him because I'm only gonna use them, but they look like they might look sick on here. There's an issue with 18s. They fit, but you can't go frame banging everywhere because I have the rear as low as it can go with barely, it's pretty much on bump stops, but 16s. We're gonna mount those up. Tire machine's broken and the boys are not waiting. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, nice work. $700 Volvo. Good. Good.
Smoking on these woods got me high than a bitch.
Smoke.
3 + 3, that equals 6. Whole